Hi, I'm Chef Mariko. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Spanish coquito drink. This is also known as a Puerto Rican eggnog, and it's spicy and delicious for the holidays. To get started, you will want 1 can of coconut cream. This is actually a sweetened coconut cream, not to be confused with coconut milk. So I want to use 1 can of coconut cream, then add 1/2 of can of evaporated milk. That's about 6 ounces. Then add 1/2 container of sweetened condensed milk. That's going to be about 7 ounces. And this is what's going to give the coquito its sweet kick. Then add 1/2 tablespoon of nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, a splash of vanilla extract. I'm going to use about a tablespoon. Then I want to add 1 cup of rum. Now I'm just going to blend all the ingredients until smooth for about 5 minutes. Now I'm just going to put my Spanish coquito in the refrigerator to chill for at least a couple hours. This is Chef Mariko showing you how to make a Spanish coquito. Enjoy.